and I saw this. I've changed my mind. I love making these sorts of videos. So I'm gonna do a taste test. Definitely recommend trying this recipe. So I was in M&S the other day and I saw this, which is literally pumpkin spice seasoning. So I decided I'm gonna make something with pumpkin spice flavour. So I've decided to make like mini cupcakes. I'm gonna make pumpkin spice cupcakes. So I just thought I'd do a little bake with me vlog. I love making these sorts of videos. Just gonna preheat my oven to like 180. So I'm first of all gonna weigh out 100 grams of unsalted butter and caster sugar and mix them together. I melted the butter a tiny bit because it was really hard from the fridge, but I'm gonna mix this together now. That's now all creamed together. I've changed my mind. I think pumpkin spice cookies would be better than cakes. So I'm just gonna quickly switch up the recipe now. I'm not gonna add in my flour yet. I'm gonna add in a little bit more butter and some brown sugar as well, about 50 grams of each. I'm now going to add in about 200 grams of self-raising flour, no, plain flour, and an egg. I've got it like this, so I'm going to add in my pumpkin spice seasoning now. The seasoning is in. I'm going to mix this up now until it forms a dough. Right, we've definitely got a sticky dough. Now I'm going to transfer it onto this baking paper, just in little balls. Right, they're in the oven and I'm going to put them on for about 8 minutes. Here's one of the cookies. It's still pretty warm, so I'm going to do a taste test. They're really good. The pumpkin spice isn't like overpowering, but it's definitely there. And it tastes so good. Definitely recommend trying this recipe. So, thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video.